Biology Chapter 7 Structural Organization in Animal of Class 11. Morphology and Anatomy. Study of form or external features is called morphology, and study of morphology of internal organs of animals is called anatomy. Cockroach Periplaneta americana. The classification of cockroach is as follows: phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, genus Periplaneta, species americana. The morphological characteristics of a cockroach. Cockroach is a nocturnal omnivorous insect which live in damp place and have become resident of human homes, and thus is serious pest and vector for several diseases. The body of cockroach is dorsiventrally flattened, segmented, and divisible into three distinct regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The entire body is covered by a hard, chitinous brown color exoskeleton. Adult cockroaches are 34 to 53 mm long. In each segment, exoskeleton consists of hard plate called sclerite. Dorsally, they are called tergite and ventrally sternite. They are joined to each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane called arthroreal membrane. Morphology. Head. The head is triangular in shape and formed by fusion of six segments. It lies at right angle to the longitudinal body axis and shows great mobility due to flexible neck. The head bears the following organs or appendages: a pair of compound eyes, a pair of segmented thread-like antennae lying in front of eyes. The antennae have sensory receptacle for monitoring the environment. Biting and chewing. Two types of mouth parts, which consist of a labrum, upper lip, pair of mandible, pair of maxillae, a labium, lower lips, and a median hypopharynx, acting as a tongue. Thorax. Thorax consists of three segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Head is connected with thorax by a short extension of prothorax known as neck. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of joined legs, a pair of forewings, tegmina, arises from the mesothorax, and a pair of hind wings from the metathorax. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of walking legs. Hind wings are also called metathorax. Abdomen. Abdomen consists of 10 segments. The 10th segment bears a pair of segmented filamentous and sulci in both sexes and a pair of short unjoined anal styles in males only. The abdomen also has anus and genital apparatus at the hind end. The genital apparatus surrounded by external genitalia called gynapophysis or phallomere. In female, seventh sternum is bow-shaped. Eighth and ninth sterna form a brood or genital pouch. Its anterior part contains female gonapore, spermatical pores, and lateral glands, while in males, genital pouch lies at the hind end of abdominal, bounded dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by the ninth sternum. It contains dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore, and gonapophysis. There are a pair of short thread-like anal styles which are absent in female. Here is the difference between male and female cockroach. Male cockroaches are larger in size while female are smaller in size. In males, wings extend beyond the tip of the abdomen while it do not extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in female. Abdomens are narrow in male while they are broader in female. Anal styles are present in large in males while it is absent in female. Brood pouch is absent in male while it is present in the female. Anatomy. Anatomy is the study of morphology of internal organs. Digestive system. The digestive system of cockroach includes the alimentary canal and two pair of salivary glands. The alimentary canal is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, and gizzard proventriculus. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle, and the gizzard possesses six chitinous plates called teeth that help in grinding the food particles. Midgut or mesenteron. At the junction of foregut and midgut, there are present 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric cachi, which secrete digestive juice. At the junction of midgut and hindgut, there is a ring of 100 to 150 filamentous malpighian tubules. They help in the removal of nitrogenous waste. Hindgut. The hindgut has three regions: ileum, colon, and rectum. It is broader than midgut, lined internally by cuticle. Rectum opens out through anus. Circulatory system or blood vascular system. Blood vascular system of cockroach is open type, where the visceral organs bath in the blood called hemolymph. The hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocyte. The heart consists of elongated muscular tubule and differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood from the sinus enters heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly to the sinuses again. While in males, genital pouch lies at the hind end of abdominal, bounded dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by the ninth sternum. It contains dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore and gonapophysis. There are a pair of short thread-like anal styles which are absent in female. Thorax. Thorax consists of three segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Head is connected with thorax by a short extension of prothorax. Excretory system. Malpighian tubules are the excretory organ present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. They collect the nitrogenous waste from the body fluid and convert them into uric acid and pass it into hindgut. Fat bodies, nephrocytes, and uricose glands also help in excretion. Nervous system. Nervous system consists of brain in the head and segmentally arranged ganglia, joined by pair longitudinal connectives and the nerves arising from each ganglia. There are three ganglia in thorax and six in the abdomen. The brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglion. The head holds a bit of nervous system, so if the head of cockroach is cut off, it will still live for about a week. The supraesophageal ganglia supplies nerves to antenna and compound eyes. Sense organs. The sense organs include a pair of antennae, pair of compound eyes, maxillary pulp, labial pulp, and anal circi. Each eye consists of about 2000 small hexagonal units called ommatidia. With, with several ommatidia, cockroach receives several images of the object. This kind of vision is called mosaic vision, having more sensitivity but less resolution, and is useful for nocturnal vision or night vision. Antenna has sensory receptacle to monitor the environment. Reproductive system. Cockroach is unisexual or dioecious, and both sexes have well-developed sex organs. Male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of lobed testes lying on each side in the fourth to sixth abdominal segment. From each testis arises vast difference which open into ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. The ejaculatory duct open into male gonopore situated ventral to anus. A mushroom-shaped phallic gland, a necessary male reproductive gland, present in the sixth or seventh abdominal segment. The external genitalia are represented by chitinous male gonapophysis or phallomere surrounding the male gonaphore. The sperms are stored in the seminal vesicle and are glued together in the form of bundles called spermatophores, which are discharged through gonaphore during copulation. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries that lie laterally in the second to sixth abdominal segment. Each ovary is formed of group of 8 ovarioles containing a chain of developing ova. The oviduct of each ovary unite into a single median oviduct also called vagina, which open into the genital chamber, brood pouch. A pair of spermatheca present in the sixth segment and a pair of branched collateral glands also open into genital chamber. Three pair of chitinous gonapophyses are also present in the genital chamber which help in copulation. Sperms are transferred through spermatophores into the spermatheca during copulation. The fertilized eggs are encased in capsule formed by the secretion of collateral glands called ootheca. On an average a female produces 9 to 10 ootheca, each containing 14 to 16 eggs. Ootheca are dark reddish to blackish brown color. Reproductive system. Development is a urometabolous development through nymphal stage. Nymphs look like adult, they molt 13 times to reach the adult form. The next to last nymphal stage has wing pad. Only adult cockroach have wings. Economic importance or interaction with man. Here is the difference between male and female cockroach. Male cockroach are larger in size while female are smaller in size. In males, wings extend beyond the tip of the abdomen while it do not extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in female. Abdomens are narrow in male while they are broader in. Thank you.